Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you real quick about flower beds and what you can do to prevent weeds from coming up in your flower beds. I've talked a lot about pre-emergent in your turf here recently, but haven't really mentioned anything about flower beds. So the main thing you need to know when it comes to flower beds is there's not really a perfect solution. You're going to have breakthrough, no matter what product you use. You're going to have some breakthrough. You're going to have to do some manual weeding here and there throughout the course of the spring and the summer. So it's not perfect, but it will drastically reduce the number of weeds that come up, and it'll make it easier to maintain your flower beds. And you won't have to spend near as much time on your flower beds maintaining them. So the other thing you got to know is a granular is the way to go. Your liquids are a little too risky to try to put on your flower beds and covering your plants in that pre-emergent. You don't want that, so go with a granular. There's two products that we've used extensively that have worked pretty well for us. One is Spectacle G. Spectacle G is a product that you put out now, again before the weeds germinate. You put it out now for the first application, then you do a second application in the fall. The other product is called Freehand. Freehand, you do 3 applications a year, one now, one in the midsummer, and then another one in the fall. So one thing you got to remember with the pre-emergent for your flower beds, if you have seasonal color or you're planning on putting seasonal color in, avoid those areas altogether. Don't put any pre-emergent of any kind anywhere where you're putting a seasonal color. Everywhere else is fine though. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, shoot us a message, or give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.